In this comprehensive exposition, we shall embark on a voyage of unraveling the mysteries concealed within company documents. As we delve into the world of numbers, ratios, and disclosures, we will unlock the secrets that lie behind financial statements, empowering you with the knowledge to make informed decisions and identify potential risks and opportunities. Section 1. The Art of Decoding Financial Statements. A strong foundation in financial literacy is essential before delving into financial forensics. Our first task is to understand the core financial statements and their significance. 1.1 Balance Sheet, the financial snapshot. The balance sheet, often called the snapshot of financial health, reveals a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity at a specific point in time. By scrutinizing this document, we can gauge a company's financial position and stability. 1.2 Income Statement, unraveling profitability. The income statement, or profit and loss statement, unravels a company's revenues, expenses, and net profit or loss over a particular period. Analyzing this statement enables us to comprehend a company's profitability and operational efficiency. 1.3 Cash Flow Statement, tracking the financial flow. The cash flow statement traces the inflow and outflow of cash, providing insights into a company's operational, investing, and financing activities. It helps us understand a company's cash position and ability to meet financial obligations. Section 2. Unearthing red flags and unusual patterns. A skilled financial investigator can identify potential red flags and irregularities that might be hidden within the financial statements. Here are some areas of concern to keep an eye on. 2.1 Inconsistencies and anomalies. Sudden and unexplained fluctuations in financial figures can raise suspicion. We shall learn to spot irregularities and investigate further to understand the underlying causes. 2.2 Unusual one-time transactions. Companies might conduct irregular transactions with insufficient explanations. We shall delve into the reasons behind these events and discern if they are legitimate or an attempt to manipulate financial results. 2.3 Off-balance sheet transactions. Hidden transactions not reflected in the balance sheet can indicate a company's attempt to hide debt or liabilities. We will learn to identify and assess these off-balance sheet dealings. 2.4 Aggressive revenue recognition. Prematurely recognizing revenues or delaying expense recognition might create an illusion of higher profits. We will delve into this accounting practice and its potential consequences. 2.5 Excessive related party transactions. Transactions with related parties at an abnormal scale might hint at attempts to divert funds. We will explore how to identify and assess the implications of such dealings. Section 3. The Power of Ratio Analysis. Ratio analysis is a cornerstone of financial forensics, providing a deeper understanding of a company's performance. Let us examine some essential ratios and their implications. 3.1 Liquidity ratios. Liquidity ratios, such as the current ratio and quick ratio, help us evaluate a company's ability to meet short-term obligations. We shall grasp their significance in determining financial stability. 3.2 Solvency ratios. Solvency ratios, including the debt-to-equity ratio and interest coverage ratio, shed light on a company's long-term financial viability. We shall explore how to interpret these ratios to assess a company's capital structure and risk exposure. 3.3 Profitability ratios. Profitability ratios like the gross profit margin and net profit margin measure a company's ability to generate profits in relation to sales and expenses. We will understand their implications on a company's overall financial health. 3.4 Efficiency ratios. Efficiency ratios, such as the asset turnover ratio and inventory turnover ratio, reveal how effectively a company utilizes its assets to generate revenue. We shall learn to interpret these ratios to evaluate operational efficiency. Section 4. Unmasking creative accounting practices. Creative accounting practices are employed to manipulate financial statements and obscure true financial positions. We shall uncover these practices and their potential implications. 4.1 Overstating revenues. Companies may inflate revenues by recognizing future sales as current sales, artificially boosting their financial performance. We shall investigate methods to detect and combat this form of manipulation. 4.2. Concealing expenses. Unrecorded expenses, or capitalizing certain costs, can mask the actual financial health of a company. We shall explore ways to unveil such practices and assess their impact on profitability. 4.3. Manipulating reserves. Tweaking reserve accounts or provisions can obscure true earnings and create misleading financial statements. We will analyze methods to detect and address these manipulative tactics. Section 5. Unearthing hidden assets and liabilities. Financial statements are not the only source of information. Other documents hold valuable clues to a company's operations and financial health. 5.1. Footnotes and disclosures. Footnotes and disclosures provide additional context to the financial statements, helping us grasp the rationale behind accounting decisions. We will learn how to extract vital information from these sections. 5.2. Management discussion and analysis, MD and A. The MD and A section offers valuable insights into management's perspective on the company's financial condition, performance, and future prospects. We shall analyze this narrative to complement our financial investigations. 5.3. Proxy statements. Proxy statements divulge executive compensation, potential conflicts of interest, and governance matters. Understanding these disclosures allows us to gauge management's alignment with shareholders' interests. Remember to exercise caution and seek professional advice when necessary, as financial forensics is a profound discipline that requires both skill and diligence. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable expedition. Should you desire more in-depth financial insights, do subscribe to our channel, where we continue to explore the fascinating world of finance. Until next time, happy financial investigating.